to a Bloomsbury Avenue Pimble at the entrance of the garages here in the inspection opening, heading downstream towards the boundary shaft. Just dust from the robot cutting. Inspection opening just before the boundary shaft, landing onto the PVC before the boundary trap is right there. Okay, so we're downstream beyond the inspection opening where I cameraed down to the boundary shaft. Junction cut, another junction cut. There's the inspection opening to where I just filmed from before at the start of the garages. Alright, resuming videoing. Junction cut. Junction cut, 6x4 transition, junction cut, bend, base of stack, and we are out in the garage.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.